Thanks to this trick, my house smells like rich house. To start this tip, we will need 3 lime. I'll cut their base like this. Next, we will cut the lime this way, being careful not to open the bottom. Tell me if you've ever used lime to do some homemade cleaning trick. I'd love to know. I'll transfer one of them into a small container and then put 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. I'm sure you will be surprised by the final result. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of alcohol and also add some bay leaves. You can use the amount you prefer. Do it at your house. And then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. I'll put another lime in a container and again add the coarse salt. We will also use the same amount of alcohol. To differentiate this lime from the first, I will add 2 tablespoons of scented oil. I'm sure you will never have problems with bad smells or bad odors in your home again. Now I'm going to put some cloves. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Mary Motala from Mexican. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I can do it myself, my house. Let's put the last lime in another container. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Once again, I will add the salt over the lime. This time, instead of using alcohol, we will add 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make an incredible product. I'm sure you'll get into your routine, just as you got into mine. And our homemade tip is already ready. Just spread around the house to perfume the environment. It's really very versatile, and you can use it however you like. The lime, that is with a little softener, combines very well with the bathroom. The container that has the bay leaf also has a very pleasant smell. I'll put it in my office, since it has a lighter and more natural odor. To finish, I will put the lime with cloves in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.